This is Brandon's first time in a booster seat. Here you go. Good baby guy. Yummy? Is it yummy? It's alright? Yeah? You can take it? How about if I sneak some oatmeal in? Oatmeal. Ew, yucky oatmeal. Ooh. Oh, but you don't know the better. You'll eat it too. Yeah. Here's more peaches. Peaches, peaches, peaches. All over your face. Yeah, there you go. Just so everyone can see how much he's eating. Here's the spoon of oatmeal and the lid of the peaches. Yeah, you're not that big an eater, are you? Some more peaches? Dive right in. Yum.